Hi, today we are going to talk about one of the best SEO tools in the market, which is Scribe SEO. This tool is from Copyblogger Media. Once you install this tool on your WordPress, you will see a small icon here, which will actually a main setting panel for your Scribe. There are not much of a settings to do. You just need to select which SEO tool you are using on your site, your URL, and the permissions which you want to give. Along with that, this is a very small section where you can select on which type of posts you want Scribe SEO to work. So like I have selected posts, pages and my landing pages. So these are the only pages where I will get Scribe SEO. Now let's see how it looks in edited post screen. So once you go in your edit post screen, this is one of the posts which I have published just now. So I will just show you how this will look. In our edit post screen, you will see you have few different boxes. One is a Scribe keyword research, another one is a content optimizer, and the next one is link building. These three boxes takes the work of on-page SEO. So when you start writing your post, you can use a box as a Scribe keyword research. You can just type in your keyword, click on research, and it will give you the research results. I'm not going to run a new research, but I will show you my last research. This is very nice feature because Scribe comes with a limited number of evaluation per month. It saves your previous research, so you don't have to repeat the same research. Like I have targeted YouTube recording setup for this particular post, and it is showing all those things, how much competition and popularity of this. You can search what people are talking about on Twitter, on Google Plus, Google Trends, what kind of a Google Trends are for that. You can change your recording, you can change your keywords here and see what kind of a response you are getting and decide on what headline you want for your article, as well as what primary keyword you want. Whatever primary keyword you want, just select it and say save target term, and you are good to go. Once you have completed your post, then your content optimizer box, which will come into picture, it will actually analyze your content and will show you what you can do to make it more SEO friendly. So I will, again, it saves your previous results. So I'm just going to click on review to bring my old result. It has a very good thing which is called site score. This is kind of similar to self similarity score, or how much information on this same topic you have on your site. So if your reader comes to your site through this post, how much more relevant information they can find. And this is one of the good thing to see how better you can rank for this keyword. Along with that, it tells you that how this post is laid out, what are your strong keywords, what are your not so strong keywords which can be improved. You can go to page analysis to see more of a recommendation. This is just for the term YouTube, but if you see down there, it has all the other keywords where this post can be ranked, and it has given me suggestions what all I can do to make it more SEO friendly for those terms. So if I can do some of the stuffs, I will do it and make it more user friendly for different keywords. This also helps in tagging your post correctly based on your content and the ideas it got from search engine. it suggests you what kind of tags you can give for this post, and you can select your tag and click on add to post tags. It will be added. So this is more or less your on-page SEO work. The one extra box which you get is Scribe link building. This is a very handy feature. It allows you to promote your new blog post on your own blog. You have content which is already ranked and already indexed by Google. The best way to start indexing your content, new content, is by linking it from your old content. What it does is you can just search a selective term and say research, and it's going to give you posts from your own blog where you can drop a link of this new post. It also gives you the page authority and number of links behind that and everything else, so you know that which page is more authoritative and where you can enter your link. So this is all for on-page SEO. Scribe also provide another tool which is called Site Connections. If you go on Site Connections, this particular space is more for your external linking. Your Scribe link box, which was there in edit screen, was more on a internal linking. This is where you try to search for your keywords and see where you can build link externally. So I'm going to search for my own domain name. Suppose if that's the keyword I'm trying to rank for, it will give me a different options. It's already saying you have a lot of connection for this particular keyword. But along with that, you can search. It is doing a research, but it will give me top 10 results from Google. It will also give me the best results from social media. So I can look for the external links tab to find out where I can drop my link, as well as through social media tab I can see with whom I can connect, or where I can go and post on what blogs I can do a guest post to promote this particular post. This all is backed up with a good help panels along with it. So all in all, Scribe is a very good tool which provides you almost all kind of facilities which is required to promote your site and do your SEO work. Hope this review will help you in making the decision to buy Scribe or not. If you like the video, I would really appreciate if you can like it on YouTube or subscribe to Make Web World.